Good day, this is Crypto Cyber, bringing you bits and bytes of crypto. Just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing my personal experience, viewpoints and findings. Please do your own due diligence. Also, please subscribe, hit the bell, like and share, and feel free to comment. And thank you so much for watching. Okay, today we're going to have a look at some of news that I put together for you guys, of the mainstream news. So we're going to have a look at El Salvador building schools, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, market highlights, Ethereum price outlook, Bitcoin, a news flash in short. So El Salvador to build 20 Bitcoin schools. Profit of the surplus from the state's Bitcoin trust account will be channeled into the construction of 20 schools according to the president. Profit from previous purchases will go towards benefiting the people, and no Salvadoran taxes will be touched for the new project. Construction of the 20 new schools will support the expansion of cryptocurrency education for locals and be part of the 400 schools planned for the My New School program. In mid-October, the president also announced that the government will spend $4 million from the Bitcoin Trust to construct a veterinary hospital in the capital, San Salvador. El Salvador's controversial Bitcoin law officially came into effect on 7th of September. So El Salvador's total stash is 1,120 BTC, and at the current price of 63k, this is worth around $70 million. Okay, the nation's Bitcoin purchases is 12 million in profit has been made so far, based on average purchase price of 53k. The account also tracks the $30 stimulus handout that the government gave to citizens to encourage the adoption of Bitcoin. The $30 on July 9 is now worth around $38. All citizens now have Bitcoin wallets and traditional bank accounts, and for the first time in their life, they have seen the purchasing power appreciate by more than 30%. This is a fascinating experiment. Well done to El Salvador, setting an example for a lot of countries that they should rather follow instead of taxing us to death trying to make a living. Commonwealth Bank of Australia set to offer crypto services. It plans to allow its customers to hold, sell and buy cryptocurrencies via its app, in collaboration with Gemini Crypto Exchange and blockchain data analytics firm Chainalysis. Full access by customers is allowed sometime next year to deal in up to 10 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum. The bank was willing to work together with regulators to create a regulatory model that would police against players seeking to exploit the financial system. Following CBA's move, Blockchain Australia CEO Steve Waller said he believed the rest among the four biggest banks, National Australia Bank, Westpac Banking Corporation, Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, will emulate the move and follow suit. So more adoption taking place on the bank side. Having a look at market highlights, Ethereum reaches an all-time high and RBF up 67%. The crypto market is green over the last 24 hours, with most top 10 cryptos registering gains. The global crypto market cap is currently at $2.76 trillion, a 1.61% increase over the last day. Computer network hardware firm Arista Network was one star amongst the US equities market yesterday after stellar earnings update led to its share price soaring more than 20%. Ethereum all-time high on Wednesday reached $4,643 in Asian hours, with gains to over 10% just this week. Bitcoin was up around 2%, Solana 10%, Ripple 8%, Shiba Inu lost around 7%, and Polkadot is the biggest top 10 winner with a gain of 24.87% over the past week. Outside the top 10, Polygon is up around 9%. Its weekly value added total to 20.59%. And then the 31st coin by market cap, we've achieved a fully diluted cap of 5.2 billion today. It's up 33.87% in the last 24 hours. Its trading volume was just over 600 million, up 672% in the past 24 hours. For the week, it has registered gains of 67%, easily making it the biggest winner in the top 50. Now, Allworth, its USP is a new type of storage allowing users and developers to truly store data forever. For the first time, the ecosystem is described as a collectively owned hard drive that never forgets. It can recall and preserve apps, history, and other valuable information indefinitely. Allworth is associated with the so-called perma-web, a global community-owned web that anyone can contribute to or get paid to maintain. All of its content is permanent, fast to retrieve, and decentralized, connecting people over an extremely long period of time. Some trending coins, the biggest winner is Cardano Evo. It's trading at just some pennies. Its market cap has increased by 1,171% in the last 24 hours. Its transaction volume was just over 500,000 in a period, up by 2,555% from the day before. Okay, Ethereum price outlook. ETH rose to a new all-time high by Wednesday morning of $4,600 for the first time, taking it to highs of 4,634 before the momentum tapered off. It also performed well against Bitcoin, breaking above resistance at the 0.06. ETH BTC pair spiked to highs of 0.07 to complete the V-shaped recovery since the downswing seen in early October. Breakout of the ETH BTC pair is a great sign for altcoins, and the ETH BTC breakout could signal further upsides for Ether. The ETH BTC pair is trading above a 20 EMA and the 50 SMA curves on a daily time frame, while the RSI has bounced off support and is eyeing overbought conditions. So also to watch, the crypto market cap is $2.86 trillion, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance at 41 and 18% respectively. You could also see major alts follow, like Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Binance, and Dogecoin. Is Bitcoin a buy or sell as it targets a retest of all-time highs? On Tuesday, the Bitcoin price surged 3.66 after digital currency group sold $700 million in shares to Alphabet and SoftBank. BTC boosted the BTC US price from 60k to 63k, gains to 4.17%. CoinDesk and Grayscale sold $700 million, implying a market value of about $10 billion for the digital currency company. From an investment perspective, Bitcoin is the world's most popular cryptocurrency, amassing a market value of about 1.3 trillion, fully diluted market cap. Although the BTC USD price spiked more than 4% on Tuesday, the trading volume edged slightly lower, 1.92%. Here's a graph with the support and resistance levels. To trade within ascending channel formation, surging closer to overbought conditions. Still far from retesting the all-time high set last month, the current rebound could continue for the foreseeable future. Investors could get target extended gains at about 65k or higher at 68k, while 60k and 58k are crucial support zones. In summary, investors can expect the current rally to continue towards 68k. And as Plan B said, by end of November, early December, we're looking at 98k for BitQ. So, newsflash in short, it's all in the name. So, without going into much detail, just some News flashes. Shiba Inu falls after 2.3 billion of SHIB moved from a whale wallet. The Squid token is up 600% today despite the bagel on Binance investigation. Server finds lower paid workers are quitting jobs thanks to crypto profits. And institutional managers bought $2 billion worth of Bitcoin in October. Well, that's all I have for now, guys. I hope this was helpful and informative. Below is a link to subscribe to my Telegram channel for future news and instant updates. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Ciao for now. Cyborg signing out.